Airbus, a major aircraft manufacturer, has partnered up with Bharat Electronics Ltd and given the Indian company the biggest export order it has received to date. The order is under the C-295 aircraft program of the Indian government for manufacturing and supplying of the Missile Approach Warning System and Radar Warning Receiver. One of the highlights of the contract is that it is in line with and supports the Make in India initiative of the government. Vinay Kumar, director of Bengaluru Complex, BEL, said, "The contract with Airbus Defence and Space is the biggest export order received till date by BEL. We are very happy to be part of the C-295 program." Mrs. Anandi Ramalingam, Chairman and Managing Director, BEL, said, "We are happy to be associated with Airbus Defence and Space in manufacturing and delivering the Radar Warning Receiver and Missile Approach Warning System for the prestigious C-295 aircraft program. We look forward to working with Airbus for more such programs and challenges." Dominique Arnold, Senior Vice President, Procurement, Supply Chain and Logistics / Airbus Defence and Space, Airbus, said, "We are proud to partner with Bharat Electronics Ltd as per the provisions of the C-295 program. This partnership demonstrates Airbus' commitment to supporting the development of the defence manufacturing ecosystem in India by working with the full spectrum of industrial partners from both the public and private sectors." For the unaware, BEL is a government-owned aerospace and defence electronics company.
That's all for today, guys. For more such videos, keep following Aviation Scoop, and if you haven't followed us yet, kindly click on the subscribe button, followed by that bell icon. Oh, and yes, don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.